Back in the before times of 2019, we were approached by the designers at Covive about renovating a portion of the visitor center in Yosemite Valley. We were impressed with the initial concept, and the project resonated with our staff of nature lovers. And it fit well with our passion for creating entertaining environments. We got down to work with the design team to value engineer the plans and quickly discovered how we could really add value and give life to these great drawings. Of course, our shop drawings were approved just as the Corona lockdown hit, which threw a half-dome sized wrench into our production schedule. But with a pared down shop crew and some real dedicated vendors, we were able to keep the project on track for a spring completion. In a rather serendipitous turn of events, our installation team was allowed access into the park while it was still closed to the public, which was an immeasurable gift of natural splendor, and for me personally, the silver lining to this dreadful pandemic. One of our first orders of business was to move the sculpture of John Muir so that he would have a better view of Half Dome when the exhibit was completed. Bridget Kimmel sculpted this amazing piece a number of years ago, and we were fortunate to have her come back to supervise his repositioning. After about a day and a half of demolition, we were able to start the installation of the new exhibits. The exhibit is divided up in 5 zones. The first zone being an incredible high-resolution image of El Capitan. But it's not just one image. It's over 2,000 images that were stitched together to create this incredible picture, with overlays of the climbing routes on this big wall. Zone 2 is a series of sawtooth cabinets that does a great job of describing the culture of big wall climbing in Yosemite. Guests can see a collection of historical artifacts as well as some state-of-the-art equipment that's used in modern-day climbing. Zone 3 is a diorama depicting a portal edge where climbers will spend the night perched thousands of feet up on a sheer granite face. Zone 4 continues the hands-on activation with a gear station where guests can actually test protection devices in cracks of real granite. Finally, Zone 5 brings the outdoors in and allows the visitor to get up close and personal with one of Yosemite's leading geologists as he studies the rock face from thousands of feet above the valley floor. I'd like to thank Covive, the Yosemite National Park, Yosemite Conservancy, the American Alpine Club, and the Yosemite Climbing Association for all their support throughout this project.